they get money to buy food, so like people like Salas and Annie's can restaurant can operate, and they can hire people to cook the food and to serve.
Right.
So even that one, so that's where we want to start.
Okay.
All right, so we're not trying to do everything all at once. So buy a block, and that will have that in itself. You're not housing people, only housing persons, but you're also stimulating the economy. Yeah.
Carrie with a twist, because usually with conversations with Carrie, you're on Carrie's platform.
Yes,
right?
Yes, thank you.
And now Carrie's on my platform.
That's right.
So with conversations with Carrie, and yes, we're speaking about Siloah, Jamaica, but Siloah, Jamaica could be anywhere. Middle Jamaica,
right.
in Cornwall, that got damaged by Hurricane Melissa.
Right.
This is one community that's there that got damaged, haven't gotten the resources
right.
that we see in the likes of Black River and so on. Right. But as a community together, this community is working to rebuild their community on nothing, because they've lost their industry.
That's right.
It's a farming community.
Right.
They've lost the farm, even though green's coming back, but it's going to take a while. Unless it's a quick crop, it's going to take a while.
Right.
And from what I saw, there was a lot of water. The area is not dried out as yet. Right. You're driving on both sides of the roads. You're seeing puddles of lake and swamps where, it used to be dry ground.
Right.
So that's not there anymore. And even with driving, like the waterway is coming across the road in certain areas. Mm-hmm. So that it's going to be, a long term for these farmers.
Right.
And, the industry's completely gone.